Domino's Pizza is scheduled to report quarterly financial results before the stock markets open on July 21st, 2025. And so investors are asking me if they should buy Domino's stock before the company announces its earnings results. I'll answer that question in this video. I'll also preview what investors should look out for from Domino's in the upcoming earnings release. I'll look at their latest quarterly financial results and the headwinds and tailwinds the company is facing. So let's start with the company's most recently released quarterly results, which they told investors on April 28th. They released this to investors on April 28th. Domino's reported global retail sales growth of 4.7%. So Domino's runs on a franchise model. They own some of their locations, but most are franchisee locations. Global retail sales growth measures the overall sales of all Domino's pizza locations. That's not measuring how much revenue Domino's generated, just how much people spent on Domino's pizza. An increase of 4.7% is reasonable for the company, a little less than what it's used to. If you look at the previous decade, it's closer to 6 to 8%. And so sales growth is slowing down for Domino's. One of the reasons is over the previous quarter, they closed a lot of locations. Global net store declined 8 in the quarter, including 17 new store openings in the US and 25 closures internationally. The company saying that in the face of a more challenging global macroeconomic environment, they're hungry for more strategy is working well. They want to drive more sales, more stores, and more profits annually. So one of the headwinds the company is facing is in same-store sales growth in the United States. You can see in the U.S. stores, same-store sales growth were down 0.5% compared to a 5.6% increase in the same quarter last year. What this measures is sales growth from stores that were open at least 12 months. So it's measuring organic demand growth for each location. And it's important because it removes the impact of new store openings and closings. And it just measures on an existing location, how much did that sales from that location increase over the year. And it actually decreased in the US for the most recently completed quarter. Click the link below to watch the full video.